Ever wondered how Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies actually work? Like, what's this mysterious blockchain everyone keeps talking about? Don't worry, today we're breaking it down super simply with a real-world example. No jargon. No tech overload. Just the basics. Let's get into it. Imagine a small village. Every time someone buys or sells something, instead of using a bank, they shout out their transaction in the town square. Hey, I just paid Sam 5 coins for a coffee. Now, to keep track of all these transactions, a group of villagers writes down every single one in a big public notebook. That notebook, that's the blockchain. Each page of this notebook is called a block. And once a page is full of transactions, it's stamped shut, sealed forever, and added to the growing chain of pages. That chain? You guessed it, it's the blockchain, a growing list of all the transactions that have ever happened in the village. But here's the cool part. Before any new transaction goes into the notebook, everyone has to agree it's real. This is called consensus. So if someone lies and says, I paid you 100 coins, the others can say, no, you didn't. That's not in the records. That lie rejected. It keeps everything honest without needing a bank, a middleman, or a boss in charge. Now, in the world of crypto, all of this happens digitally. Instead of a village notebook, it's a network of computers around the world, keeping identical copies of the blockchain. And instead of shouting in a town square, transactions are verified using cryptography, fancy math puzzles that make everything secure. Once a transaction is approved, it's locked into a block and added to the chain. Forever. No edits, no takebacks. Let's say you send 1 Bitcoin to your friend. That transaction is bundled with others into a block. Computers all over the world check it, solve the puzzle, and once it's confirmed, boom, it's added to the blockchain. That record is now permanent and public. Anyone can see that the transaction happened, but not who you are, because crypto is anonymous by design. So to recap, blockchain is a public record of transactions. It's built in blocks, chained together. Everyone agrees before anything is added. And it's secure, decentralized, and tamper-proof. That's how crypto like Bitcoin works, without a bank, a boss, or a middleman. Simple, right? If this helped you understand blockchain better, hit that like button and subscribe for more.